Hi there. Let me show you now how to use the cross-halving joint in Viskon 16. When you select this command, you are prompted to select two of your elements which are crossing or intersecting each other, and immediately brings up this window where you can set, for example, the individual depths of each half. For example, if I want to set this to 10 centimeters, the other goes to 5, because I have 15 centimeter height elements here. And this looks like it. If I get these sticks out, it goes back to symmetrical halving. You can set drilling, and of course you can set the diameter of it. You can make an offset, maybe dovetail, side lap groove. You can set a third depth, apparently. Let's go back, and clicking OK, you can see the drilling. You can see that one of the elements is bisected, is cut in two pieces. But if you set the wireframe model with textures display mode, you can see that actually these are indeed half lapped. Actually, it doesn't matter if the two elements of yours making full contact or just barely touching, because you can still make a half joint just like this. As you can see, you can still set the depth of these elements, maybe this back to 2, this comes up to 8, something like it. And now you have a quarter half lap joint, if I can say so. Clicking OK, we can still check if it's there. Yes, it is. Now if you wanna set these connections, all these 9 connections at the same time, you can do that as well by selecting our command, pressing Shift, selecting all the elements in one direction, pressing Shift again and again, so Shift twice, and selecting all the elements in the other direction. Shift again, and now it automatically brings up this window. And as you can see in the preview, that all the connections has been made. And of course, all the connections you can change or modify at once. Okay, and going back to wireframe, you can see all those sweet connections you made with just barely a few quick clicks. So this is it in general, how to use the half joint, cross half joint in Viskon 16.